Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Msoa po ni Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong.
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Msoa ha ka arpo atrik unaitung arjar arpo. Kala IT ka kai phot ha Menteri Ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs ba bante dor lingdo. Ha ka bay day ba ka jing Pynlut pensep na ka jing penlong ya ka Lympung ilek kai Meghalaya Games arjar kat kendai arjar arpo. Ha bay keren bila pasai kubon na kaliang ba John F Kharsieng boleh working president jong Msoa boleh thu banaka iway point sabu pra Klur tingka ba kalamang ka Msoa kalala ban kunai dak ba Pynlut ya ka pisa tang iway point arp khandai Klur tingka ha ka Lympung ilek kai balong ha panai rempang boleh thu ru ba ka Msoa kala kerpa di ba bantai dor ba on thaulat khnang ban yo siu noi ka jingrap kham tam ha kaliang kinong penbiang ya ka bam ka di ha kisngi bala pelong ka Lympung ilek kai ka badai ka jinglut ka bala buan bha nalor ka kai phot jong ka Meghalaya Games ka Msoa kala penpau ru ha ka bedai ka jingpenmi jong sarkar jila ya ka standard operating procedure ha ka khan ritrik jili arjar arpho na ka benta ki jing ilek kai non contact but ki indirect non contact na ka daw ka jing sar ka jing pangkhlam coronavirus ha ka bedai ba ka new ba John le thu ba na ka liang menteri lo ong ba ya kani ka kam ka sarkar kan sapet bini abyang sa sisien ha panai nai lar panwan
yang submit the report and the like kaba nomor ba ka khang sam ka tu ba ayu bat nilai keren ba ni shang ka future of sports for Meghalaya. Okay, as of now kumbaga menta kamut nyimpak la ban le kumnu wat ada ka government kala issue ya ka SOP. Government issued SOP on 16 June, notified. So this is non-contact sports. About archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, and athletics. Tangba athletics also, which does not require use of equipment. Kamot only track. Athletics only track. So these are kini non-contact sports: archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, and athletics. Something. Indirect contact sports: golf, lawn tennis, and badminton. Indirect contact sports. Kini ru kadang ka condition pa. Basically, what the SOP says is you can train individually without sharing equipment. No, you can train individually. The competition ini kita berhad subject to SOP to be issued by the Deputy Commissioner because they are the nodal officers for the SOP for any activity. No? Which is not easy. Number use of any venue ni have your jimbit from the kibapet kita tu ka ilmu. So kata nak using bahab use pada dan kam berpedukam ka madan gani katai hak yo keren bagi rampak stong. So each association ni have bo ka COVID task committee, sanitizing procedure. So a lot of conditions. So as of now keempat dan detik bagi mereka belum kumbalan mentah kamu ingin hap hadu guna IBC bakin review yang hau guna apas simet lah ban mau praktis bapak nangkilan met meroi kalau andre as a team it is not yet possible because you have to put in place so many other habu bun kike COVID task committee habyo jimbit na rambashno for that use of that stadium or use of that thing. Then we have to get permission from the deputy commissioner, respective deputy commissioner. So this competition is not yet allowed. Training we may individually maroi practice what ka Olympic itu tahap usai bun ki world championship kila pasang dai te it is kadika challenge kadika jing ka bisir kai pa kumbalo mata ya baro ki noi naka. It's a big challenge for all the sports persons globally. Bro we percaya te unless kami ka dawai ka vaksin ka pentikna no unless the vaccine is there, then I don't know. No, nama kan kuno kan lock ke hadu mentah ka government of India ro omba kisa review biang how banai awas. No, the government of Meghalaya kisa review biang how banai. No, how banai awas. So whatever the notification government of Meghalaya has issued, right, to get SOP ilomba, kamre ka basuk eh. Namal ngihap na kami stadium ngihap na kami gini kita eh. We are all bound by the SOP issued by the ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. The state government ki hak po kita tiga ni. Tengim lah peniak pelat nak kata we cannot go beyond the we have no authority but go beyond that unless the ICMR amend the guideline. Then only we can do. In other countries, yes, you are right. KLAI for football, but then they are also facing a lot of challenges. No? So similarly, government has issued that archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, athletics. Athletics also only track. So without the use of equipment, no? Sharing of equipment, we cannot share. So kini kita KGA, kiba lada ka ICMR kam amend ya ki guideline bakal asya bon ka mah ban tolong gini ki asyan ki habak ni ka dandru ka consent for ba way noi akan hab soi ka consent for mo ba nga menjur mo masai kuno ba masya ka government bernira ka kan tu khipang man ka pur man ka tajipang mo kalau kau rak jika ni berkat ki bon ki guideline ni ba ka bakatu umbaw mene kalau ni hab yo ya ka clearance na ki respective deputy commissioner.